Quick video today going over how to get your DIY exchange currently hosted locally on your machine up and running on the web. To start off, we are going to need a domain if we don't already have one. There are many sites out there that will let you register a domain name. This is an important decision, so make sure to pick something catchy. I can't take you through all the steps unfortunately, as it is mainly just my bank details and I'm probably going to keep those to myself. Once you have your domain, make sure to find the DNS settings from the management and set 2 A records, one for the domain itself and one for the API subdomain. Both of these should be pointing at your public IP. If you don't know your IP, you can easily find it by typing into Google my IP and Google will tell you what it is. So with this setup out the way, we can move to our terminal and begin the production of our exchange. Make sure you're inside the HollaEx kit directory and start off by entering the command HollaEx prod. Confirm that we are ready and enter our new domain in the following way. The CLI will automatically set our API domain, but you can change this if you have something different. Confirming all of that, the CLI will now attempt to resolve the domains we have provided. If you have an error here, make sure that your DNS settings are correct and perhaps wait a little longer as these DNS settings do take some time to update. If you run into a problem at this point, please make sure to open the 80 and 443 ports on your firewall, which you can find in your router's settings. The next step is to issue SSL certificates for both domains, which fortunately the CLI will do for us. First, we'll sort out our main domain, so input 1. This renewal step you probably won't have, I just have it as I've already issued certificates. And let's choose the redirect option with 2. With the main domain done, now let's do the exact same process, but this time for the API domain. Choose that with 2, again don't worry about the renewal stage, and then again choose redirect with 2. Seeing the globe, we will follow up with the command HollaEx server restart and allow that to run. Next up, we need to build our image, which may take some time depending on your machine, using the command HollaEx web build. Mine is already built from earlier, so it's a bit faster for me. And finally, find the command that has been printed by the CLI, copy, paste, and then run it. With all that done, we are good to go, and you can jump back into your browser, and you and your users can now find your exchange through the URL. So now that your exchange is online, good luck and happy trading.